Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nongrah Ktien ke India sa Philippines, Harsh Kumar Jain, Lawan sa Meghalaya, hakabaulay kenduru yu menteri ketanat jong okai kejala uba polling do, hakani kanongba. Kejingwan Jain kelong ru shibenta ban Pynïajan ni kiri ke Asean, kentup kiri Philippines, bat kejala Thain shday lamingi. Jain ulaong baki kendiap tayo unsalet sa Philippines kum Nongrah Ktien ke India, bat kejingwan sa Shillong kelong ban pet i kejingyaday kamtam habakaladan lupa ke Act East Policy jong ke Sorkar India, kabadai nak benta ban kentiu ke jingadai hapdeng ke Thain shadai lamingi kari India bat kiri ki bahap hapo ke Asian. Ula ongru ba uwan ru bantip bat sungut hu ya ka rukom long ke larity ke history bat ki kam penroy ha Meghalaya ha ka ba ulay ro e ke jing itanat ke Meghalaya kamtam ha ba ulay yo ban netpet e ki katu ka ki jaka. Jain ula ongru badan kam ban kershan ki samla puli ke Thain makin net puli shabari bat ban ajing tip sya ke embassy jong ke India ha Manila, Philippines. Nakaliang uba pol ula banjur halor ke jingnon kam ban kampen tebet eki samla hagi benta baper naduk ke kam jengok kai lariti bat lat jing sumar hak ba ula pentep baki nurse na Meghalaya kila donru ki balit tre sha Japan kumta ukermen baka jing tebet hagi benta baper kanyarap eki samla ke jela kamtam habaki hap ban net shabari nak benta ki babun ki kam ban ai jing shakri uba pol ula ro ya kari Philippines kum kari ke basyong suk syong san bat kala bha bandan ke jingadai bat ke jela lakadai hakaput katem karwai ka siaw bat kalariti.
Thank you. Your purpose of visiting Shillong?
Well, the purpose of my visit to Shillong is to promote relations between the Northeast region and Philippines, where I'm going as ambassador in about next few weeks' time. You are perhaps aware about Act East policy of the Government of India, which primarily the objective is to promote relations between the Northeast region of India and countries of the Asean, in the Southeast Asia. So I have come here to acquaint myself with the culture, with the history, as well as developments in the state of Meghalaya, and also, the tourism potential of the state.
Well, sir, prior to this assignment, you were in Ukraine.
Yes.
So during Ukraine war, how difficult was to evacuate the students studying there? If you can tell us about this journey.
Well, I actually reached Ukraine after the evacuation was over. So I began my assignment in Ukraine from April 2022. After the assignment, after the evacuation operation was over. But I'm aware about the evacuation that was done in the month of February, March 2022. It was certainly a very difficult operation. But I'm glad that we were able to evacuate all Indian citizens, who wanted to leave the country successfully. Some of the students returned back when the situation stabilized, specifically in the western Ukraine, to complete their studies. So in the last semester, there were about 2,500 students, mainly in the western parts of Ukraine.
So coming back to your visit here, so you said you're looking at the tourism potential here. What are your initial reaction and what are you looking forward to?
Well, my initial reaction is very good. I'm amazed to see the beauty of the city and the state of Meghalaya. I had opportunity to visit some places in the morning today. It's really amazing. I'd say Meghalaya has a very good potential for tourism promotion.
Sir,
I'm happy to support them in any way they would want, and I'll be in touch with the students when they reach Manila, and I'll suggest them to be in contact with the embassy. I'll be very happy to meet them if at any point of time they would want to come and see me.
Mantan, ya Mr. Harsh Kumar Jain, bulawan man jungo dengan hani office trekam, secretary, lalong teng Ktien sim ambassador juga India hari Ukraine, but mentau net next stint jemu, the posting jemu kepada Philippines. Di kajing jungo, kajingwan kedua jemu nya kalau kemu menteri beripek ya tourism, kekamsan, jungo Thain, arts and culture, nama gidan buon ki AKA ki wa kini ki atali ka Megalia bat ka Philippines ki yesriam kawe ga dai ka jing klan jongi hagal yang kapot ka tem ka bakiru ki klan ga te ni le gran chapang kumnu ba ki Nongrah ki jongki ki nyo ban jungo ai kan jala jungi bat ki jongi ya ka ri ki jongki bat kumju ba namaki la khamya maki khamsha khamat kumnu ba ngin yo ban learn ru naki te ni lai pembek ru ba ka ni ka program ke jungi ka Megalia grassroots music production MGMP ngin kan long ka jing plenti ba ki kena sama ki jungi ba mandai dan kumbalai hajar tam apo jong ka ni ka MGMP kin la ban yo la ban le ban Pynïajan ka sap ka pau ni jongki sa Philippines but ki jongki ru ba ki yo ban wan sa ni ka jala ka jongi te nilai kran ru shapang ka tourism uni ambassador ula kular ba kundang wan ban jengo ya ki buon ki banta jong ka jala Megalia but u lapan baru ba u long makloi ban pli galat ka lenti ba kuma ka feel jong ka kwat ka kya ka ba ki samla ki jongi ki la ba ban serve haka healthcare industry antaru na ay ka jing kasan bat ka ba kham ai advantage ni kolong ba ki briu hanthe kumbalong mangi shani ni klan ba haka English te ka communication kan long ka sok ka rukom im ka kran ka khana ka isrium shibun but ngi kmi tiru ba ka jingdon ka jumu khamtam deyu ba pule lam badu chief secretary jongi ha ka batch te ka di ka pliba ba ngini trai rangkat na ka benda ba boro atli kiri inyo anong daga jingi dai para maki
Gimana try kini itu po Philippines kung ano siya maklaro
out ya ka taga program ka ba mengkong shwa balong ikwa ban pensyur ya kini ki samla ki bangla identify lembaga tourism department po juga ni MGMP te yamenta ni dangile banjit ya ki kenuhun bat ya ki riushimat ki bat debiddo na ni program bat ngin ai ki kani ke platform amtang Philippines ndai hakui wi pada kiri daga sedang shwana South Asia